Jump to it. Unpacking an English idiom. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases and idioms. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. This can be confusing for English learners, but don't worry, that's why we're here. In this video, we'll explore the phrase, jump to it, where it comes from, what it means, and how you can use it in conversation. So, let's jump to it and get started. When someone says, jump to it, they're not usually talking about jumping. This expression is an idiomatic phrase that means to start something immediately or begin doing something with enthusiasm and without delay. It's often used as a somewhat informal way to tell someone to begin a task right away or to hurry up. The origin of jump to it is quite straightforward. Imagine someone who is sitting or standing still and then jumps into action. That's the visual metaphor behind this idiom. Over time, jump to it has become a common English expression used to motivate others or to express urgency. To better understand how to use jump to it, let's look at some examples. When the manager noticed the spill, she told her staff to jump to it and clean it up before anyone slipped. I have a deadline tomorrow, so I really need to jump to it and finish this report. The coach blew the whistle and shouted, jump to it, and the players started their drills immediately. In each case, jump to it is used to express immediate action and a sense of urgency. You can use jump to it in informal settings, such as at home, with friends, or in a casual work environment. It's not typically used in formal writing or situations. Also, be mindful of your tone when using this phrase, as it can come across as commanding or impolite if said in the wrong way or context. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, jump to it. We hope this video has been informative and you feel confident using this idiom in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to sound more like a native speaker and to understand the culture behind the language. So, whenever you have a new task at hand, don't hesitate, jump to it. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more English language tips. Happy learning!